how to make pepperoni pizza, right? I don't even know if I spelled pepperoni right, but let's go and see what it gives us. How to make pepperoni pizza. Pizza dough sauce gives you all the stuff. It tells you how to preheat it. Roll out the pizza dough on a baking sheet. Spread out a layer of tomato sauce and dough. Sprinkle the mozzarella. Arrange the pepperoni slices and the cheese. Bake the pizza for 8 to 12 minutes till you got a golden crust. Allow the pizza to cool a few minutes before slicing and enjoy. So there's a quick, a quick recipe on how to do it. And you can do that with almost anything. If you didn't like that, you could regenerate another response. And it, basically does the same thing. Gives you just a little bit different, but kind of like the same question. This one, it gave us in centigrade. And it tells the inches, and you can do this over and over again. And once it's finished, you can come up here and you can click here. Watch. And it'll go back to the original one. If you didn't like that one, you can go to this one. So you can see the difference. Here it says 220. Check it out here. This one says 230. So there is some little differences that you're going to see in it. You know what I mean? But you have to play around with it and try to figure out what the best use for you is. But I'm just giving you an example. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos when I show you how to do stuff with ChatGPT. Peace out.